Welcome to this quick tutorial. If you have ever found subtitles too small or too large while watching videos on VLC Media Player, this video will guide you step by step on how to adjust the subtitle font size easily. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do. First, open VLC Media Player. Next, go to the top menu and click on Tools, then choose Preferences. In the Preferences window, click on the Subtitles tab. Here, you will find an option called Font Size. You can select the size you prefer, such as small, normal, large, or very large. After choosing the size you want, click Save at the bottom. Finally, restart your video if needed, and the new subtitle size will appear. That's it. You have successfully changed the subtitle font size in VLC. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials.